Hey guys, wanted to give a quick update on the current game project that I'm working on, as you can see right here. Now, obviously, uh, most of the art assets that you see right here are just placeholders, but hopefully you can tell that I'm trying to go for a Dr. Seuss art style. And I want to mix that with a Ratchet and Clank style gameplay, obviously on a 2D plane. So here it is. And uh, again, this main character, his art will probably change, but he has his weapons, the high efficiency whiteouts, no jam stapler, and the apologizer. So the idea is that each of the weapons is based on a office supply. So like whiteout, stapler, and well, the apologizer is kind of like your it's a tool that you can use in the office, I guess, when you apologize to your boss. And it kind of has like a shotgun effect. Um, there's the whiteout, it's like a blaster, and the stapler is just I don't know what you'd call that. But I'd like to so why office supplies? I'd like to juxtapose kind of like fun corporate setting on that you see like on the outside, and then a cold corporate, I guess, uh, corporate structure that you don't see until you actually work in the company. So hence the computer terminal with the blank face. So so here's some of the enemies. As opposed to, standard enemies, these are going to be mistakes. So you fight mistakes, which are shooting little stress balls at you. And once you quote unquote defeat one of these mistakes or enemies, they will spawn out these little files. So each mistake that you fix, you collect it and you file it to the computer, which gives you money. This is kind of one of the standard gameplay mechanics, 2D shooter, and I'm also thinking about mixing it with kind of like a grid style gameplay. So you have this grid here, and you can move on grids. Which I'm hoping gives it kind of a second dimension of strategy in the game, as opposed to dying from being hit too much. I don't have it implemented right now, but we have this stress bar. Each time you get hit, your stress bar fills up until it gets to the maximum. Once that happens, I'd like to get some sort of function where you kind of enter this rage mode where maybe the player gets kind of uncontrollable until a certain amount of time passes or something like that. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and maybe you can follow me on this game development journey.